Genicook makes some really innovative containers, and these do not disappoint. They sent me this measure and store food storage container set to take a look at, so let's just get into it. This is made of borosilicate glass. It's very sturdy. They've got these really nice plastic lids that go on top. You're going to be able to store things inside of here and measure. So if you have somebody in your life that is a chef or a baker, this is going to be super handy. No longer are you trying to cover these with like cellophane or something like that. You've actually got really nice lids that clamp right on. And I love these two different sizes as well. So it's just a nice variety here. These actually have both standard metric and imperial from a measurement perspective. So that is also really handy depending on if you're following a very specific recipe. And these lids do clamp on. They also have this nice little thing on the top here that you can use if you need to air anything out. You need more air in the container. This is just going to be super handy for storing any kind of food, but also you've got that measuring aspect, which is just really nice. So I give these a big thumbs up. I do really like the way these lids clamp on, and they are very airtight, and they just feel really sturdy and high quality, honestly. So another winner from Genicook.